Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out my website. I'm super excited to show you how it's possible to make $10 to $100 or more every single day using Leadsleap. There's 3 simple steps that you need to do in order to get started. They're all located down below in the description box. Step number 1 is to create a Leadsleap account. Alright. Step number 2 is to create a Weebly account. And step number 3 is to send me your login information for both accounts. Once I receive your login information, within 24 hours, I'm going to make you a website like similar to this, and I'm going to send it to you with a training guide that's full of information on how to promote this and where to promote it. I'm also going to add you to my private Facebook group where we do weekly trainings, and you're going to have access to me pretty much 24/7. So the best part is you can do all of this with zero money out of pocket. So there's no reason not to get started. If you're looking for a legit way to make money, this is something that I think you're going to be interested in, okay? So Leadsleap has been around for a long time. And in the back office, you can see here that there's 4 different ways to earn money. With this program, we have a daily active bonus, a credit encashment, PPC earnings, and affiliate commissions. So if you look back on this page, your page is going to have PPC ads that look like this. Every time somebody goes and clicks on one of these, you're going to earn some money from Leadsleap, okay? Down here, this is going to be your affiliate link for Leadsleap, and you can earn commissions if people upgrade to the Pro membership. You're also going to earn commissions on using Weebly if anybody goes and upgrades into that as well. So, and I can also put down here a link to any site that you wish. This is invaluable stuff right here. Of course, I can't guarantee that you're going to make any money with this. It all depends on how much work you're willing to put into it. But if you can follow simple instructions and you're consistent with it, I don't see any reason why you can't earn something, okay? So I look forward to working with you, and I'll see you soon. Peace.